What is going on, guys? It's me, Michael Gibbons, and today, or rather tonight, actually, we're going to be reacting to Damn Nature, You Scary. So, it's a funny, scary animal encounters. Let's see how scary these animals are. We already got a bull here. And it's, oh wow, it's legit the same bull. Right off the bat. Damn. Oh, dang. Must be real fun. What are these, eels?
Eels.
Well, thank you for that. Oh, shoot, a duck. Ducky. Oh my. Grizzly. Ooh, Asian elephants. I prefer the African elephants, though. No disrespect. Oh! Damn. Strength is incredible for elephants, man. We got a hammerhead shark here. What an
He
idiot.
sees it. He sees it. Look at him. Oh my God.
Why did he just like... Did you get that on video? Please don't get kicked. Please don't get... Oh! Damn, he had to... Oh, just roll it off, bro. Better run, man. The guy sounds like a bird. What is that? Is that,
Here we go.
Ugh, it's some kind of corvid.
Two. Three.
Is that a snake?
Jesus Christ Almighty. Snakes. Jesus Christ.
This looks like the Florida Everglades. Oh, is it a gator? Is that an alligator? Yeah, it is. Oh my God.
Gator, buddy.
Gator. And you hear his voice. This is how you know it's in Florida. Throw him back in the water, man. Jesus! We ain't finished with the gators, man. A macaque monkey. What the hell are you think? Sorry, we gotta pause that. I'm sorry. It just gets really annoying when people just go up to just random animals and just touch them like they dog. These like I wouldn't do it to like people wandering on the street and just touch them for no reason, man. They ain't your pet. What the hell? What is that? A dog? Why is he walking like that? Oh, it's a snake. Jesus. Why they kind of casually walked away. And he's legit trying to get in. Yeah, that's what you get. Ooh. Oh, God.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
We get another gator.
Be careful here.
Let me guess. Another gator. Is that? Yep. Yep. If he's... Oh, my God. Run! He's still there. What are you doing? Run!
That puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Yeah. Why are you still standing there?
Get back.
He's not gonna back down? Yeah, exactly. Oh. Another Asian elephant. He's gonna knock that whole thing down. It's a young one. It's a kid. He just likes... Yeah, that's the thing with, adolescent elephants is, like, they love pushing other animals that are smaller than them around because they know how big they are and they know how strong they are. And, you know, they just, like... it's kind of like with kids, like, you know, chasing pigeons, you know? Like, they do it with animals that are smaller than them, you know? That's a good thing you got another fence right there. And another gator. Oh! Damn! Swim! Swim! Oh, shit. Yo. Is this in Florida? Still? Oh, moose. Run! Run! No! Well, at least he didn't. Oh, it was a mother with calves. Well, that makes sense. I was wondering, like, why the moose didn't proceed with the attack, you know? He was just, she was just trying to get him away from her kids. You know, which makes sense. Yeah, you're gonna tip over. Yeah, exactly.
I'm so glad I was recording that.
That horse was not about that extra weight, man.
Got like a big stick or something.
I swear to God, if it's another alligator.
Big stick.
That ain't a
Whatever
stick.
it is.
That's
That is not a stick.
a crocodile.
My God, that's not a stick at all.
Yeah, it's not. It's not.
Holy sh!
It wasn't a gator. It was a crocodile, though. But you know, I had a feeling it was
Holy moly!
crocodilian.
Well, that changes things.
Yeah, get out of the water. Stop fishing.
Hey! Hey!
Oh shoot.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah, that bike is a good intimidation.
Hey!
What is this? Oh. It's Squidward. No, man, Squidward's had it. Mr. Krabs ain't giving him that raise. Hey, man, that's what happens, man. You gotta pay your employees, man. I know they breathe underwater, but still.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
What is that? Is that a mountain lion?
I promise I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
I love how he's talking
I'm
to.
going away.
I love how he's
going
talking
away.
to the.
I'm not gonna bug you.
Like the
I
cougar
promise.
can understand what he's saying.
I'm going away. I'm going away.
I love how he's legit talking to the cougar like the cougar understands what he's saying. Gator man. I have a gun. No!
I'm walking backwards on the
Dude!
trail back to
Get the hell out of there!
I'm walking down the trail. And Mom
Dude!
and two
Oh my
cubs.
god. That is the
So I
worst
continually-
thing you could possibly... Oh god, we went back. Damn it. That is the worst possible thing you could encounter in the woods. A mother bear with cubs. You might as well just kill yourself right there, because like I think I'd rather encounter a grown male bear than a mother bear. Like I'm giving this a lot of thought, because a mother bear will kill you on sight, kill you. If she has any thought in her mind that you might be a threat to those cubs, she will kill you. I'd be terrified, man. I don't know what you could do in that situation, man. Just pack full of bear spray, back away, whatever. I don't know. Don't try and do that intimidation thing.
I have a gun.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp.
Why does
I'm
it sound like
walking
the
on
same
trail,
guy with the cougar?
And Mom and two cubs.
That's the worst
So I'm
thing.
continually
Oh, no,
walk backwards.
no.
and Mom and the cubs keep following me.
Can't you just walk off
and
the
are
trail?
walking at least as fast as I am.
Oh, my God. What do we got? Is that a tuna? That looks like tuna. Wait, did the fish eat that? The bird?
ล้างเบี่ยงเราได้ยังโอ้ย
Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that, man. God, oh, guys, oh my god. Oh my god, that thing, you see how huge that thing was? Dude, like, oh my god.
You.
Oh, another cougar. Okay, what he's doing is good.
Get the away. Go away.
What he's doing is good. He's back.
Go away.
Oh, this is the one with
No.
I've seen this video. This was legit in the last video I was reacting to with Casual Geographic.
Holy.
So yeah, what he's doing is good.
Yeah, get the away.
He's backing away, but making himself look bigger. Well, that was God, Jesus, I can't stop thinking about that. What the hell even was that? Was that like a leech? No, that wasn't a leech. It was some kind of, I don't even want to go back to that. Oh my god. It was so fucking big, man. Like that thing must have been aching. His nose must have been aching for so long. Like, why? My god, how did that thing even get in your nose? God. Jesus, man, my skin is crawling. Well, guys, if you enjoyed that video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, man, peace. I can't stop touching my nose now. Peace.